in this hair tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to waterfall braid. This is a really pretty look, and I've gotten quite a few compliments on this one. So I just thought I should do a tutorial. So what you're going to do, I'm going to leave out my bangs, but you're just going to take from the top section of your hair, just a little section. You're going to split it into 3 different sections, like so, and you're going to braid about 2 times, and then you're going to take a section from the top and add it, and then you're going to do that, cross it over, and then you have a bottom piece, and I would hold that up here, but you're going to actually take from underneath it and you're going to let it drop, and then bring the piece from underneath over, and then you're going to take from the top and then you're going to take from underneath, drop it, and bring this piece over. And you can make it meet in the middle with the other braid, or you can just let it down, but that's a basic waterfall braid, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and leave your likes and comments.